Hello, it's Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used vehicle. This is a Volkswagen Touareg 3.0 TDI Black Edition, 286 PS, 4Motion, and it does come with a tow bar. It has around 6,070 miles on the clock with one previous owner and comes painted in the stunning silicon grey finish, which looks absolutely fantastic with the VW badge design that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And to minimise the risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the powerful doing mirrors do fold in unlocked. And here are our stunning black wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well, while offering a very stylish look to the car. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we have a fantastic and spacious boot size, large enough for stuff like shopping bags or even a pram. And you do have your electric tailgate, which will come in handy when you've got your hands full. Following on, we can see this Touareg really does have some lovely and well-maintained interior. As you can see, we have ISO fixed points, cup holders and armrests at the back, which makes this car perfect for families. And as we access the front of the car directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed car full of fantastic features. Just above the driver's seat of our panoramic sunroof, on the side of the driver's seat of our power seat adjustments. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice little grip, and we do have our headlights there ensuring that always in the correct times, alongside the controls on the door handle, as well as your seat profile selectors. Once this fantastic car comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display where we can view key information here like our mileage whilst on the move, and we do have our assist systems featuring your front assist, which warns the driver of impending collisions, and if necessary will autonomously apply the brakes. Over to the infotainment screen with a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this allows us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Speaking about navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your stated destination on the best possible route. And to tailor your driving experience, there are many different driving modes to choose from depending on what type of driving experience you may enjoy. And this will definitely improve your driving experience. Now over to our climate controls, you'll notice we have our front heated seats and our heated steering with many different levels of heating to choose from, offering that cozy driving experience. And finally, with this beautiful car, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the sensors and the cameras ensure safety, especially manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight.